Welcome. In this tutorial, we will learn how to read and download ebooks using the ACLS Humanities ebook collection, the APSCo ebook collection, the ebook library, and the St. Thomas Library catalog. In order to access the ACLS Humanities ebook collection, we can start from the St. Thomas University Library webpage. Go to Research, then A to Z Databases. Scroll down and click on the link of ACLS Humanities ebook collection. Once in the ACLS basic search page, we can use title names, authors' names, or keywords to search for the books we're looking for. Also, we can select from different series and try some advanced search using the given filters, which are author, publisher, subject, and title. There is another option to search for ebooks using the Browse tab, where we can find long lists of ebooks alphabetically sorted by author, title, or subject. We can also use APSCo ebook collection from the research link. We go to the A to Z databases, click on the letter E, and then click on ebook collection. EBSCO provides us an extensive ebook collection. We can use the basic search, which provide us a search box and some search filters. There is also an advanced search that we can use to refine our search. For example, we can use economy as a topic in the US. As we receive the results of our search, we can take a look at the titles and select one. It's important to know that all these ebooks can be viewed online as a PDF and also can be downloaded. In order to download an ebook, we will need to sign in or create a free account. Once we have created the account and logged in, we can proceed and download the ebook. APSCo host will offer us the options of downloading the ebook in PDF format or EPUB, which is the recommended format for mobile devices and e-readers. Also, we can choose the duration of the download for a maximum of 7 days. After clicking the download button, we will have access to the ebook in our downloads folder. It is important to know that in order to open and read these ebooks, it is required to download Adobe Digital Editions, which can be retrieved clicking on the following link. From the Adobe webpage, we can download the software for Macintosh or Windows. Once the software is downloaded, we need to create a free account and then we can start enjoying the software features and reading all the downloaded ebooks. The last tool we're going to use in this tutorial to search for ebooks is the University Library Catalog. The University Catalog is one of the most convenient options because it will find ebooks by retrieving information from several databases. This time, we will choose biology as a topic. Once we obtain our results, we have to refine our search under the Format tab on the left menu. We click on eBook. And now, we will only have ebooks on our lists. We click on the title of the book we want to see. and then under the Online Copy tab, we click on View eBook. This link will take us to the web page of the database that hosts the ebook. From here, we can read the book online or download it.